वन्दे मातरम्.
Good morning, my dear students, parents and dear staff. I wish you all a very, very happy Independence Day. This morning, the 74th Independence Day was celebrated in a simple manner. We hoisted the national flag and unfurled it in the presence of a few teachers. This is the first Independence Day in the history of our school, which was celebrated without its lovely students. We missed you a lot, but then this is with a purpose. This purpose is to fight against a deadly disease, and we are, all of us, are actually fighting against COVID-19 by staying at home. This national flag, which was unfurled this morning, reminds me of the great sacrifices which our forefathers made to liberate this country from the clutches of foreign rule. India has seen a lot of turmoils, lots of invasions. We had to put up great resistance against all the injustice that was caused to us in this nation. In spite of all the turmoils, we've always come out of it with success. Similarly, I'm sure that we are going to come out of this war against a deadly disease also very soon by putting up a great fight against the disease. Today, this Independence Day, we should definitely applaud the services of all the doctors, nurses and the sanitation workers, and as well as all the patients who have really fought against the disease and who are fighting against the disease to liberate the entire Indian population from the clutches of COVID-19. So let us all be safe at home. Let us celebrate this Independence Day. Celebrations need not be just by coming together, by showing it externally. Celebrations can be within our hearts, within our soul. Each one of you celebrate our independence. Let us celebrate our independence with spirit. Let us believe that we are one of the largest democracies in the world. Let us be proud to be a democratic nation. Let us be proud to be a republic and a secular nation. Let us celebrate the spirit of independence, the spirit of democracy, the spirit of secularism. Wish you all the very best. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.